Good afternoon. Ngayon po ay August 21, 2024 Wednesday. At ito po ang mga resulta ng 2 p.m. draws ng 2D Lotto at 3D Lotto. 2D Lotto 2 p.m. draw result ngayong August 21, 2024 Wednesday. Ito po ang mga sumusunod na numero na mabasa para sa 2D Lotto 2 p.m. 3D Lotto 2 p.m. draw result ngayong Wednesday, August 21, 2024. Ito po ang mga sumusunod na number ang lumabas para sa 3D Lotto 2 p.m. 'See you again later for 5 p.m. draw result of 2D Lotto and 3D Lotto for August 21, 2024, Wednesday. Here are the tonight's jackpot estimates of Mega Lotto 645 is 8.9 million pesos and Grand Lotto 655 estimated jackpot price is 213.5 million pesos for Wednesday, August 21, 2024. Thank you for watching this 2 p.m. video for afternoon of August 21, 2024, Wednesday. Don't forget to subscribe and hit notification bell for more Lotto result update.